Hello everybody. Good morning from my side with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all of you? Hope you all are doing great. Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm also doing great and fit and fine. It is morning time here. It is fresh morning, really amazing. And actually, yesterday was cloudy. Now this morning is some cloudy, not fully cloudy, just foggy morning. Uh, it is so wonderful. I'm just walking on the street at the moment. I was just wake up this morning and late then I finished my Fajr fair. Now I have some free time. That's why just I'm making a video. Uh, Actually, I'm some feeling shyness about making video front of camera. Yeah, okay. I have to just remove all of shyness. It is very important for me because if you making shyness, if you feeling shy, you are just unable to just present your point of view, your speech. Yeah, that's why we should. That's why I should just throw out all of shyness in my self. Yeah. Okay. Just I try to just become fluency in English from my mouth. That's why just I trying to my best. So guys, if you want to improve your English, if I want to improve my English, I have to just practice all time. Without practicing, we are unable to just improve our speaking English. If you want to improve your English, you have to just practice. You have to practice more and more in English. Yeah, without practicing, you are unable to just improve your English. It is very important to know, all guys, which person wanna improve his or her English. Yeah, uh, it is our village. It is very beautiful and wonderful. Natural beauty is full in our village. Yeah, guys, have a look, guys. I'll show you. Have a look, guys. Some of trees to side on the street. It is so amazing and silent environment. So guys, আজকে আমি কিছু কথা বলবো। আপনারা যারা ইংলিশ শিখতে চান বা ইংরেজি শেখার আগ্রহ রয়েছে, আপনাদেরকে অবশ্যই চেষ্টা করতে হবে, স্পিকিংটাকে বাড়াতে হবে, বেশি বেশি প্র্যাকটিস করতে হবে। আর যদি নিজ থেকে আমরা প্র্যাকটিস না করি, অবশ্যই আমরা ইমপ্রুভ করতে পারবো না আমাদের লাইফে। তাই সব সময় চেষ্টা করবেন 5-10 মিনিট নিজ থেকে প্র্যাকটিস করার জন্য। ওকে, আজকের মতো এখানে বিদায় নিচ্ছি, ইনশাল্লাহ। Hope to see you again and have a good day.